What's up guys, welcome back to another trade recap. Today, 2 trades, 2 losses, not really big losses either, but yeah. So 13th of December is today, and we had a tap on the 4 hour here. Wait, no, it's on the 1 hour. On the fair value gap here, right here. So taps into this fair value gap and then came higher. Now my bias was just wrong today. Nothing I can really do about that. Although my second trade was a trade against my bias. So yeah. So let's get into the video. So on the higher time frame, 4 hour, we get a SMT here. Here's the SMT. Took out this high and take it out on ES. Now that was the most recent version of SMT, so that's the one that we want to focus on instead of the ones that are older. So these two, right? So here's the SMT on the bullish side of things, but this is older than this, so I would use this SMT, and that's what I failed to do in today's trading session. Now yeah, so we have that SMT. We have taken out high of day, or not high of day, it's the all-time highs. We took out all-time highs in this 4 hour candle, and because of that, that was our sweep of liquidity, and then we came lower, which is the SMT confluence. Like, what did I just say? We went lower because of this SMT. Yeah, so going to the entries that you could have taken today for shorts, you could have had this order block here or this breaker. Actually, no, this order block never got tapped back into, so probably not that, but definitely this breaker since it tapped into that. On the 5 minute here, again, yeah, that order block here, never tapped into it though. How about here? No, didn't tap into that breaker either. On the 5 minute, not really any entry you could have taken apart from this inverse here. Yeah. Now going on to the 1 minute. Now this is where a lot of trades could have been taken. We had SMT at the high over here, and let's see, on the ES right here. That's not it. Kind of look like the high. Okay. Alright, right here we had SMT. So any trade after that technically was valid. So yeah. I think I would have waited for this 4 hour to close. To be fair, it doesn't really have any. Yeah, there wasn't really any reason why the 4 hour should have closed. I think I was waiting for this 1 hour to close, not the 4 hour, my bad. And yeah, and I wanted to see these fair value gaps reject this fair value gap, but the SMT that we created there, did we create SMT? Yes, we did. So we created SMT at these lows. I think both sides of the market was valid today, but it's just that one side was taken. And yeah, so this 4 hour SMT, this hourly SMT, actually Yeah. We took that, we had this SMT ages ago, so might have been invalid in that point of view, but yeah. I'm not sure. Today was a bit weird. Yeah. So going to the 15 minute, we came higher, took out this high right here. 8 AM highs as well, 7 AM didn't create any highs, did create a low, swept out that low, swept out this high. Yeah, that was it. So, on the low time frame, this order block could have been taken and you would have got a very nice entry. Stop at the mean threshold of the order block, and then this is the second trade that I took. Could have went on to this fair value gap here. My mistake here was entering off of this 15 minute fair value, not 15 minute, 1 minute fair value gap, and not waiting for this 15 minute to close. I told in like the VC that I would wait for the 15 minute to close, but I just never did. I think I forgot about it. And then yeah, so what I said was that I wanted to see if this fair value gap gets inversed, and it did. And because of that, because I didn't wait for this 15 minutes to get inversed, there's no real bearish like confirmation. So when it got inversed at 10:29 here, yeah, when it got inversed at 10:29 here, I took an entry here at this order block. Yo, wait, never mind. Technically that was valid then. Ooh, that's not good. I mean, to be fair, we could have had this. So technically my mistake probably was that not about this entry, but rather this stop placement, because if I had placed this stop there, then it would have been valid. Yeah, and then TP would have been down there. That would have been good as well. But yeah. I think intermediate term highs and lows, because I thought this is an intermediate term high, but I think we should probably wait for it, like, not to close above the consequent encroachment of that fair value gap, instead of just going in there. Huh. Well, yeah, we took out low of day, which is right here, where the TP was, and then we started accumulating, and then we pushed higher on PM session. Overall, not bad. And the first trade that I took over here when I was bullish biased was because of this right here. There is an order block, and because I was bullish biased, I wanted to see buys here, and it's just because we weren't actually bullish. I was stopped out. My stop loss was at the mean threshold of this order block, or just below the mean threshold. Gone around here. Gone around there. Stop was here. Right here. We also inversed a 1 minute, and yeah, that was yeah, that was straight to stop loss, which in turn wasn't really that bad, but that's just a wrong bias sort of thing. So here's the executions. There's the entry for the buy, and then here's the entry for the short. I did really low risk here, to be fair. Yeah, so stop was at the intermediate time high. Well, I thought it was intermediate time high, it just wasn't, and I was stopped out. There was also SMT at these highs. And that was also a reason why I took it off the first fair value gap instead of this one. I don't mind that entry, and to be fair, this is also an order block, so yeah, I really don't mind that entry. Let's see if we had SMT with, yeah, we had SMT up these highs as well, so probably anything after this would have been pretty valid. You could have had this order block entry here again. Yeah, that would have been valid as well. So that's the end of the video. My account balance right now is on 49,215. Pretty deep in drawdown. Not really that annoyed or anything like that. I think it was fair. It's just that my bias was wrong. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Peace.